Alright, so here we're given a graph and they want us to find the x and y intercepts. Okay. Now I do have another video where we find the x and y intercepts where they give us the equations and we got to find it like that. So check that video out too. Alright, so let's look at this. So this line here is the x-axis and this line here is our y-axis. Now the x-intercept is where the graph crosses the x-axis. This is our x-intercept. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and find that one first. So the x-intercept, well, it's this point here. What's the coordinates of this point? Well, the x value is 3. We didn't move up or down, so the y value is 0. Now let's find the y-intercept. Well, the y-intercept is right here. It's where the graph crosses the y-axis. Okay, so the y-intercept, well, what's the x-coordinate? Well, we didn't move left or right, did we? We stayed here. So the x-coordinate would be 0, and the y-coordinate we went up 2. And that's it. Alright, so that was a short video. Check out all my other videos. Give me a like, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.